Hey, welcome back to our channel. If you're intrigued by the idea of diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and making a profit, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the ins and outs of starting a crypto mining business. From equipment to profitability, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Understanding crypto mining. Crypto mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain network using powerful computers. Miners solve complex mathematical puzzles to secure the network and earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrencies. Choosing the right cryptocurrency. The first step is choosing the right cryptocurrency to mine. Factors like network difficulty, potential profitability, and your personal interest play a role. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are popular choices, but new altcoins with promising tech might also be worth exploring. Selecting mining hardware. Mining hardware is crucial to your business. ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit, miners are popular for their efficiency, while PUS, graphics processing units, are versatile and can mine various cryptocurrencies. Research and compare options to find the best fit for your budget and goals. Calculating costs and profitability. Consider costs like electricity, cooling, and maintenance when calculating profitability. Online calculators can help estimate potential earnings based on your hardware and energy costs. Remember, profits can vary due to cryptocurrency price fluctuations and network difficulty changes. Setting up mining operations. Setting up your mining operation requires technical expertise. You'll need a dedicated space with proper ventilation, cooling systems, and a stable internet connection. Safety precautions are also crucial, as mining hardware can generate heat and noise. Legal and regulatory considerations. Ensure you're complying with local regulations and obtaining necessary licenses. Some areas might have restrictions on energy consumption or cryptocurrency-related activity. Bonus point. And now, for the bonus point you've been waiting for. A key factor in the success of your crypto mining business is staying updated with industry trends. New mining algorithms, hardware advancements, and software updates can significantly impact your profitability and competitiveness. Starting a crypto mining business can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and investment. From choosing the right cryptocurrency to setting up your mining operation, each step contributes to your success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your crypto mining journey.